This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Google Cloud. First, ensure you have a Google account. If not, create one. Then, visit the Google Cloud Console and accept the terms of service. You'll be prompted to activate your free trial, which provides $300 in credits for 90 days. This allows you to explore many services without immediate cost, making it easy to begin your cloud journey. Every resource in Google Cloud lives within a project. To create one, click Select a project at the top of the console. From the pop-up, choose New Project. You'll need to give your project a unique and descriptive name. This helps keep your resources organized and manageable, especially as you expand your cloud usage. It's a fundamental step for any task. To use most Google Cloud services beyond the free tier, you'll need a billing account. Navigate to the billing section in the console menu. Here, you can link your project to an existing billing account or create a new one. You'll add a payment method, such as a credit card. Remember to set up budget alerts to help manage your spending effectively and avoid surprises. With your project and billing set up, you're ready to explore Google Cloud's vast array of services. Use the navigation menu on the left to browse categories like compute, storage, and networking. Try starting with a popular service like Compute Engine to deploy a virtual machine. The search bar is also very helpful for quickly finding specific products and features you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.